Hello students, I am Ekta. Have you ever thought about how much paint is needed to cover a wall or how many tiles you need for a bathroom floor? To answer these questions, you need to know the area of the surfaces you are working with. Area is simply the measure of the space within a boundary. For example, when you are laying down new tiles or planting a garden, calculating the area helps you figure out how much material or soil you will need. Today, in this video, we will learn how to calculate the area of various shapes. Learning outcomes. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to calculate area for rectangles and squares using formulas. Apply area calculations to solve real-life problems involving space and cost. Understand and use units of measurement for area in practical scenarios. Keywords from this lesson are area, rectangle, length, breadth, square, side length, boundary. Now, let us understand what is area. As we discussed in the previous video, the space or region inside the boundary is called as area. So, now we'll define the area. Area. The magnitude of the measurement of the region enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. Find the areas of the following figures by counting the squares. Area of each square is 1 square centimeter. We know that area of 1 square is equal to 1 square unit. Now, the total number of squares in the figure is equal to 9. Area of 9 squares is equal to 9 into 1 square units is equal to 9 square units. Therefore, the area of the given figures is 9 square units. In second figure, there are 5 squares in the given figure. So, area of 5 squares is equal to 5 into 1 square unit is equal to 5 square units. Therefore, the area of the figure is 5 square units. In fifth figure, there are 2 complete squares and 4 half squares in the figure. So, area of the figure is equal to 2 into 1 plus 4 into 1 by 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 square units is equal to 4 square units. Thus, the area of the given figure is 4 square units. In fourth figure, there are 4 complete squares and 4 half squares in the figure. So, area of the given figure is equal to 4 into 1 plus 4 into 1 by 2. Is equal to 4 plus 2 square units is equal to 6 square units. Therefore, the area of the given figure is 6 square units. Similarly, find the area of the other shapes. Now, we will see examples on how to find the area of a rectangle. The length of a rectangular field is 80 meter and the breadth is 40 meter. Find the area of the field. Solution. The length of the field is equal to 80 meter. The breadth of the field is equal to 40 meter. We know the area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Now substitute the values in the formula. A is equal to 80 into 40. A is equal to 3200 meters square. Let us see one more example. The length and breadth of the room are 8 meter and 6 meter respectively. How many square meters of carpet is required to completely cover the floor of the room? If the carpet cost rupees 200 a square meter, what will be the total cost of the carpet for completely covering the floor? Solution. Given the length of the room is equal to 8 meter. The breadth of the room is equal to 6 meter. We need to find the area of the floor. Area of the floor is equal to length into breadth. Now substitute the values in the formula. A is equal to 8 into 6 is equal to 48 meters square. Now we need to find the cost required to buy 48 meters square of carpet. Given the rate of the carpet per 1 meter square is equal to rupees 200. 1 meter square is equal to rupees 200. 48 meters square is equal to rupees. How much cost? Let it be X. By cross multiplication, we get x is equal to 200 into 48 by 1. X is equal to 9,600 rupees. Therefore, the total cost of carpet for completely covering the floor is equal to rupees 9,600. Let's see some examples on area of square. Find the area of square with given sides as 25 meter. Solution: given the side of a square is equal to 25 meter. We know that the area of square is equal to A into A. Now substitute the value in the formula, then we get A is equal to 25 into 25 is equal to 625 meters square. Therefore, the area of square is equal to 625 meters square. Let's see one more example. The side of a square field is 110 meter. The cost of preparing a grass lawn is rupees 30 per meter square. How much will it cost if the entire field is converted into a lawn? Solution: given. The side of a square field is equal to 110 meter. We know that the area of a square is equal to A into A. Now substitute the values in the formula, then we get A is equal to 110 into 110 is equal to 12,100 meters square. Therefore, the area of a square field is equal to 12,100 meters square. Now, we need to find the cost required to convert the field into lawn. Given the cost of preparing a grass lawn per 1 meter square is equal to rupees 30. 1 meter square is equal to rupees 30. 12,100 meters square is equal to rupees. How much cost? Let it be X. By cross multiplication, we get X is equal to 12,100 into 30 by 1. X is equal to rupees 3,63,000. The cost is rupees 3,63,000 is required to convert the entire field into a lawn. Points to remember. Area measures the total space enclosed within the boundary of shapes like rectangles and squares. Formula for rectangle: area is equal to length into breadth. Formula for square: area is equal to side length into side length. Ensures all measurements are in the same units before calculating area. Area calculation can be used to determine material needs for flooring, painting, and landscaping. Thanks for watching.